Replacement feeding is the process of feeding a child who is not breastfeeding with a diet that provides all the nutrients the child needs until the child is fully fed on family food. Adequate replacement feeding is needed throughout the time the child is at greatest risk of malnutrition, that is, until the child is at least 2 years old. If an infant is not getting breast milk, milk in some other form is needed for at least the first 6 months. It is also useful if some kind of milk is part of the diet for up to 2 years of age or more. Replacement feeding must be acceptable, feasible, affordable, sustainable, and safe. Let's look in detail at what this means and what should be considered before choosing replacement feeding. Acceptable. There should be no barrier to replacement feeding. Barriers may have cultural or social reasons, or be due to fear of stigma or discrimination. Feasible. You, or your family or other caregivers, should have adequate time, knowledge, skills, and other resources to prepare the replacement food and feed the infant up to 12 times in 24 hours. Affordable. You and your family, with government or health system support if necessary, can pay for the cost of purchasing or producing, preparing and using replacement feeding, including all ingredients and equipment without compromising the health and nutrition of the family. Sustainable. Availability of a continuous and uninterrupted supply, and dependable system of distribution for all ingredients and products needed for safe replacement feeding, for as long as the infant needs it, up to 1 year of age or longer. Safe. Replacement foods are correctly and hygienically prepared and stored and fed in nutritionally adequate quantities, with clean hands and using clean utensils, preferably by cup.